Guys, I'm back with another video, but today's challenge is gonna be hard. Don't mind all of those apps. So yeah. First, let's turn this off, and then there. Let's just keep that like that. Okay. But why is there so much games? Do not. Okay. But let's try it with no sound. This is gonna be hard, and I know it. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god. I have read and accepted terms. Let's go! Oh crap. Are you serious right now, bro? Oh crap. Okay. I need to find a way to sneak at the house. Okay, nothing in there. Okay. I see if there's anything. Bro. Charger. Okay, bet. They're not talking. They're not even talking, honey. I mean, well, they're not. There's no subtitles. Wrong way again. Okay, Pablo Genetti. Right. Let's get this. Nothing in here, bro. Are you serious? There's always nothing in there. Hammer. Okay, let's go. Okay, I might mess this one up. Come on. No, I'm not here. No, bro, I'm dead. Hope I haven't forgotten anything. Something's not right here. Where did the flowers from the vase go, huh? You're getting the belt now. I'm just trying to voice it. Kayla, come help. Our son is hiding somewhere. That rascal. Come out. Okay, I guess that. This is weird. Why am I? Okay, bro. I do not hear anything. This is gonna be a hard video, guys. My God. I think so. It keeps going. I think so. It's still going. I gotta wait until my dad says strike the puck or something. I'm dead. Hey, what? One of them said sitting in the closet, huh? But didn't open it. Wait, what? Wait, bro. Oh my god. Wait, am I actually about to get theories case file? I can tell you silver lining. Okay, blue. No way! How did I get away? Oh my god. Dude, that was actually so scary, bro. Okay. I memorized. Okay. I have good memory. I used to not have good memory, but now I do. Okay, so I think so. It's green. Yeah, green on top. Okay. Green, and then, yeah, that green's right there. Orange, yellow. This one was white. And then I think so. These two were blue. Yes. My God, sleeping pills. Wait, what? I said bills. Pills. Come on, get it together. Time is ticking. Let's go in. Okay, so it's 524. 524. Don't mind me, Mom. Just trying to see what the code is. 523. Well, I'm stupid. I forgot. Genity 52 something. I'm skipping this. Hold up. Oh, never mind. It's not working. Genity 524. Oh my God. Okay, why did I scream? Why did I freaking scream like that? 5763. 5763. Alright, pretty. Oh my God damn it. No, the phone. It's so annoying. What does the dog have? Oh, a screwdriver. Did that actually? Oh my God, that actually gave me a heart attack a little bit. Shut up, bro. Oh my God, bro. Especially when it's winter. Alright, come on. I gotta keep going. Wait, why didn't you say I'll check who's writing to me? That's weird. Because he's supposed to say that. What's in there? Bug spray, bug spray. Okay. Okay. Gotta see where all the stuff are. Okay, no man, I can't. Last. Oh my God, go. Okay. Frick. I don't see anything on that thing. Good job. Now study quickly. Bro, it's about to go. Oh my God, bro. So annoying. 5762, I think, or 3. Key card. I don't know why it's key card. It's supposed to be car key. Well, light bulb is in there. I'm actually dead. I am not gonna beat this. I know it. Let's just hide right there. Bro. I'm gonna. What turn this sound on? Open! I did not mean to stand up. I'm putting on my son.
Take the broom in your teeth and off you go. I don't want to see a single snowflake left.
I'm turning on this sound. I'm trying to do this. And I'm not gonna beat this, but I'm gonna try to. This is for you guys. Come on. I gotta lock in this time.
Easy cause prime.
Lock in. And guys, in the next video, tell me like tell me something to like do in Schoolboy Runaway. Or yeah, I haven't done metal gameplays cause I'll be real busy. But today I might post another one. It's just so hard. But yeah. Let's ring the doorbell. I'm coming. Oh my god. Oh, say, can you see all the dawns early light? Okay, let's just get the steak. Let's just get the steak. Dude, give me the steak. God. Oh my god, why did I scream so loud? Oh my god, please. Please don't find me here. I'm nowhere. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Was someone here? Everything seems fine. Okay, let's go. Mama. 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 I'm coming. Wait, is she back in?
I don't know. There's nothing else to play. Why? Yeah, I already got Gauss Prime, right?
I'm dead.
Titanium Prime is loaded. How'd you get it? Actually? You gave me the blueprint for titanium.
I'm just gonna hide right here just in case. But, yeah.
Why you didn't give it to me?
Alright. Okay, guys, I'm back. Bro, my ankle.
When did you get it?
It's back in.
How?
Oh! Okay. Sorry for screaming so loud, guys. I don't know if it's loud or not.
What does he look like?
I'm too good.
I'm doing a relative
A terrible shift. Just terrible.
Yeah. Jay time? No.
I'm staying in here. Nope, you can't get me in here.
Actually,
Nails? Oh. No!
the armor.
No! My heart
Video,
feels
Titanium Prime.
like
This
it's
guy's,
inside my
Victor Prime did,
chest,
like,
bro.
8,000 damage.
Oh my god. Oh, let's see. Can you see? Why do you not light? Okay, I should close this door actually.
I'm doing about like 3,000 right now.
Let's and then let's.
Oh, you're on
Oh,
Warfare King?
And then let's.
How are you watching Invincible? Which episode are you on? I know.
Go in. Stupid
That
washing.
comes out every Thursday.
Washing cup. Bro, I'm tired of this.
I gotta save my money.
So close. So close.
Airsoft gun.
She doesn't
Gen 3 Archon. You gonna buy one thing?
That stuff doesn't fit. That one,
Paris Prime String, should I get that?
dude.
I think Lavos Prime pieces.
Yeah, this game is stupid. Yeah, wasn't there insect spray? So I try and did a glitch.
Wait, which primes do you have?
Nah, I'm going the other way. I'm going the other way.
Bro, Sharon Prime is. I heard.
I gave you the meat.
That's why you have
Don't
4.
talk. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna get caught. I'm gonna be so mad and rage quit.
Let me see if that happens. Let me craft.
Oh my god. My heart is actually pounding so hard. So understand, guys.
Minigun? 4 cannons. I have this new shirt. Bro, I have 16 Argon crystals on me. You have one? What?
I'm dead. Damn it! I quit. I quit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bro, it was too hard.
Hey, you said you had titanium prime.
Too hard. I'm gone.